Okay, hey guys, so we're doing another video. So first, because I obviously don't have any pets on this account, I'm using my one account to subscribe, not to subscribe, to give, see, I'm here now. See, this is me, here. So I'm gonna give myself some pets, gave myself a trade request. Oh, wait, no, I don't have to put anything on it this time. So, what should I give myself? How about... I'm gonna add one more thing. Okay, so this is what I'm giving myself. This is all I'm gonna give myself, only because if, like, I do get hacked or something, I don't want that much to go away. Yay. Okay, so now this account is gonna leave say bye. Okay. So yay, bye. Okay, just left. Okay. Me is gone. I can trade. Which I didn't know. I'm recording.
We're recording, Emma. We are recording.
Okay, so first, so my friend that also has a YouTube channel is here, so I'm gonna see if I can give her a. So subscribe to her account first. I think we'll see what her account is like. I just today learned that she used the channel. I knew she had it. I didn't know she used it. No, they already know that that's my other account. But because she hasn't. What?
We got no idea.
That's why we're asking. That's why we're trying to figure it out. So we're training our elephant, or my elephant.
Why are you trading it?
Because I want to see what people trade for it. I want to see what people trade for it. Are you listening? I feel like it should be more than a rare. At least an ultra rare. But it wasn't. Was it epic starter sponsor? I'm gonna trade this. Let's see what they would trade for my elephant. For my adorable little elephant. It's so cute. Ooh, except.
I already have an elephant already.
It's cute, and it's a lot of people's dream pet. So. Darn, okay. I think they wanted me to add. If you join me. Oh, okay.
Oh, guys, if you guys don't know this game, I'm playing this game called Skyblock.
Yes. Skyblock. Wait. Skyblock is definitely. I really hope
What was it?
Well, decline. First, I need to see what other people will trade, because I know you. Maybe. You can't get any more. Then I'm trading Kiki. And see what people do for Kiki. So our next video will be us playing Skyblock, like a super flag. Skyblock is basically Minecraft.
But better.
No, it's not.
My life back, so.
Sissy's making it.
I want Beyond. Okay, then I still want Beyonce.
Where is Junebug? Let's see.
Teleport to her.
Yeah, I'm about to. Well, not Chris, because that's what I was born to do. It's a song. It's a song. Warm up, Chris. I'm about to warm up, Chris, because that's what I was born to do. I'm done. Okay. Where is she?
Lucky. I'm doing a bit underground because, like, I can't find any more.
Girl, answer me. Decline. Just for now.
Yeah. Yes, I'm playing Skyblock. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Where'd she go? She's still here.
But she might not want to talk right now because she is filming a YouTube video right now. Yeah, she is. How do you know that? She keeps on telling us that she keeps on filming it, and then
She is not answering me, so that's why I had to do a space. Where did she go? I keep losing her. YouTube. See, that worked. She's getting really mad.
what did she say? What did she say?
Wait.
How do you know that she's getting really mad? She didn't say anything this time.
This is getting me frustrated. Only because they keep trying to tag my message and so she doesn't understand what I'm saying.
YT, you know that means YouTube?
Yeah, I keep saying YT. She said YouTube. She said YT.
She doesn't know what that means.
Oh, she said I'll text. It'll be tagged in Roblox. Okay. Okay. Now where is my elephant? Where did she go? Enable. Let me plug this in. Now I'm gonna plug this in real quick. I'm the alpha I'm the one to trust.
No, you didn't.
Okay, pick it up.
I did most of it.
So, okay, I'm going back to to the gift display now.
We didn't go half of it.
Okay, this is taking like pretty much close to forever to load. Thank goodness, I thought I'd be falling from the sky the first time I tried.
Give it back.
Oop.
Give it back.
Give it to no one.
What you took?
If you have anything you don't want, please give it to me.
No, you didn't.
If I was doing this with my other account, I'd totally give him something. But sometimes they're scamming. So please don't scam. Ooh, it's Junebug. I'm gonna buy it because I'm nice. It's for trade, guys. For trade. I'm gonna say. That's how you spell it. And she gave me a trade request. She was like, just take my trade request. For I only do trades for pets. Like oh, okay, they declined. Thank you. Because it's black is bad. Is that like? I feel like that's racist.
What?
This kid's name is Black is bad, but I don't know if that's what they meant. I'm gonna leave this server because I don't like that. I'm gonna follow the kid that was like, oh my gosh, and there's one kid that was like, oh my gosh, I know you, but I'm pretty sure they were only saying that because. But if they weren't, then thank you. But okay, let me try and trade it. Once I get a trade, I'm gonna end this video because it's taking too long, in my opinion. No one is giving me good trades for my elephant. One time, someone traded me a hot dog stand, a ride potion, a rat, and a sleigh for my elephant. So, if the trades aren't like over the top like that, then where are you? There you are. Okay. Pick you up. Pick up. To the gift display. Don't forget to like, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can enter our giveaway this way. Because I forgot to say it in the very beginning. Because I'm stupid. Okay, so this is like a rich trading server, and this is not working. Wait, it's loading in. Loading. Still loading. Not I am Santa. Give me a. That's a fake one.
No, I am.
Cause you see the numbers at the.
And that's
That is
not how it's
fake, and that's not the knot. Ooh, fakers. Sorry. Alright, faker. Larry the llama. I don't have any comments. Donate. It's kind of like she's forcing people because he didn't say please. Okay, she said please. Never mind. She said please. I'm trading my elephant. Let's see what you'll trade. Brooklyn. Oh no, it's Larry the llama again. I already traded you. I just couldn't tell who you was. I mean, were who you were. Mom gets mad at me when I say sorry. You're hungry and you need some sleep. Yeah, fuck. I'm gonna stop. So I'm gonna stop trying to trade it. And instead, I'm going to try and trade Kiki. Alright. Till I can't no more. Gotta take my first skill. Gonna take my life. Follow them. Trade them. Forward. Why are they so much faster than me? Why do I keep glitching? Why am I so slow? I'm the alpha. I'm the trade. Did I give him a? Oh yes, I gave him a trade. Let me just play it cool. Pretend I was going. Yeah, that's what I'll trade for that. Bruh, you don't have to do that. Ah! Bullies. Takes away the last second when I was just about to accept. I don't need to be here. Why am I here? Oh yeah, it was for a cover. Yeah. Do the gift display. My elephant is for trade. Look at it. It is super cute. It's for trade. Look. And if I don't get a trade for this, this will be in the giveaway, but yeah. I don't no, just fine. Yeah, but if I don't like their trade for it, then this will be in the giveaway. So you better subscribe if you want a super adorable elephant or a Black Panther. Something like a Black Panther. Bro, I keep accidentally hitting a ride. Gonna pick up till I can't no more. Trade for it. You know you want it. So you know you want to trade for it. I want to trade you. Trade. Nice. Trading the fake. I am Santa. And a slurp, slurp, a slurp, slurp, a slurp. I just added it. Okay. Is this just my eyes deceiving me? Or was someone just writing a... Pick up slurp, slurp. Look at it, slurp, slurp. Okay, well, I'm done with this training video because none of these trades, nothing got traded today. It's kind of lame. Alright, bye guys. That was boring as heck.